All right, here we go. Alan, personal of SPX and NT coming at you. Start with SPX hockey. Good luck, sir. Here we go. Jason Spezza, Stick Wizards. Yeah, I've had it for, I don't know, a year. Something like that. Brendan Gaunch, SPX rookie. It's Greek. It's from Romans 12. Connor Hellevik, numbered to 499, rookie dual jersey auto. Nicholas Patan, rookie jersey, retro. Wrong Connor, truth. Jared McCann, Ruby Update Artifacts rookie to 399. I think the lowest number in this product is out of 10, which is what we're going for, which is the quad patch variation. That's a tough pull. Victor Arvidsson, shift change autograph. Those aren't numbered, but one per master case on the shift change autos, I think. At least that's what we've been pulling them at. I don't know what the actual odds are. Eric Gustafsson, SPX rookie. Matt Molson, Stick Wizards. Connor McDavid, shift change. And Sergei Kalinin, SPX rookie. Nope, 3 boxes left. No patchy. No patchy. All right. Make way for NT. There was nothing big in the NT box from the break, so fireworks should remain. Boom, number to 10 right on top. You got a lot of thin ones in this box. Maybe a big autograph coming. All right, number to 25, Randall Hall, rookie auto silver. Numbered to 10, Larry Fitzgerald, 5 of 10. Next, to 25, Demarius Thomas, Treasured Receivers, 3-color patch. Next, Tyler Eifert, to 99, Century Materials jersey of Tyler Eifert. Next, 4-color Devontae Parker to 99, jumbo patch. Next, to 25, Tony Romo. He shows up in all of Alan's boxes. Next, Julius Thomas, Blake Bortles, Allen Robinson, and Alan Hearns to 25. Looks like you have a redemption coming next. 25. Let's see what the redemption is. Notable nicknames redemption. Jameis Winston. Notable nicknames of Mr. Winston. Is that one inscribed crab legs? Is that what they call him? And I believe, are the nicknames the 25? That's just what my gut's telling me, but Not 100% on that. Next to 25, Amir Abdullah. To 25, Collegiate Treasures autograph. And to 99, Ty Montgomery rookie patch autograph of Mr. Ty Montgomery. Allen. There you have it.